Every day there's countless people in Bentonville that deal with numbness and tingling, some into the fingertips, some into the feet. But if you are experiencing that, just know that there are solutions out there. In fact, right here at Deep Roots Health Center, we offer solutions every single day to things like numbness and tingling in the appendage. But the key part here is that you have to know exactly what we're doing as far as getting those changes in the human body. So one of the things that we offer is actually the adjustment. So we use a specific tool for our adjustments. We can also offer the manual popping, clicking, or cracking with our adjustments. But the main thing that we offer here is something called neurological-based chiropractic care. So it's done with this instrument. It's called the integrator. And when we deliver the adjustment with this instrument, I can get super specific to your individual case. So I can actually get down to the millimeter as far as where I need to adjust. It's a great tool to be able to have, and it's phenomenal for things like numbness and tingling, especially into the hands and into the feet. We get great results with that on a daily basis. It's really, really cool. So if you are dealing with any numbness or tingling in any area in your body and you'd like to find out if the adjustment could help you, especially the neurological based care, make sure that you comment, tag, or you share below, and I will catch you on a future video.